Okay, so somebody had a question, and that question was about getting feedback on Discord, how to get feedback on Discord, and what are some of the things you can do with Discord when it comes to feedback and sharing your work. So I'm going to switch over. I'll do another share screen. So let's say here's Illustrator. This is like Illustrator here. Let me take a picture of myself, and then I'll put it in Illustrator, and I'll kind of show you the flow of assignment 2, and I'll kind of like role play out me as a student asking somebody else for a critique, right? So, and this is kind of look at this is part of the process here for assignment 2. So I'm just going to take a selfie, and then I will airdrop it to my MacBook, and here it is. See, so taking a picture and airdropping it is pretty easy on a Mac. It's not too difficult on a PC either, because you can like text it to yourself, right? But the keyboard shortcuts for like a screen grab are a little different between the two. But there is a great trick in Windows for a screen grab. But what I'm doing on a Mac is I'm hitting Control Shift Command 4, and I'm doing like a screen grab, which is also a it copies it at the same time. And then I'm going to go into Illustrator, and I'm going to hit Command V and pasting it. Okay, so this is like, let's say this is the first assignment, and I'm starting to work on it. So I just put my selfie in here. And so just kind of remember these steps, and I have this as a video too. So this selfie, you see here where it says layers? So it's on the first layer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that first layer, and I'm going to click on, do you see this where it says template? Click on template, and see where it says dim. I can dim that down to a percentage. So if I say 70%, actually I want to go the other way. I want to go probably 20%. So it kind of fades it out. So I'm going to use this as the base, and then here in my layers, I'm going to drag this out. I'm going to create another layer by hitting this little plus box here. And the template layer with my selfie is already locked, so I'm going to draw on this one. And I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take the pen tool here and start drawing. Now, here you see these two boxes. One is a solid box and one has a red line. Does everybody see that in the toolbar? A couple of things too. See how you have these 3 boxes down below and that red line, that diagonal line? That means nothing. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to get rid of the box on top is your fill. And I'm going to click on this box below, and now double click. Let's see. And make that black. So I have a black line. So I'm just using this pen tool now with this black line, and just kind of tracing over myself. I'm doing this kind of fast because I just want to explain this idea of a critique so I can kind of share this. And then the last thing I'll do is I'll go back up to my layers, and you see in layers you have on the left-hand side, you have this eyeball symbol. Well, that lets you, everything on the left-hand side is a toggle to turn off the layer or turn on the layer. So I'm going to turn off that template. I'm just going to make this more, okay. So there you go. I have my artwork, right? So it's like, oh, this is, I don't know if this is good. You know, it might be good, it might not be good. So with Discord, what you can do is you could, basically what I could do is I can take a screenshot again. If I'm on a Mac, I'm using Shift Control Command 4. And then I can go right into Discord and I can paste it, and I can say, hey, so okay, hey guys, but I want your opinion, you know, whatever, on
you would ask a much better question because you'd probably be asking something specific. So there you go. Now it's in Discord. And somebody, is anybody in Discord right now? Because
Yes.
you can comment on it right away, right? You can be like, hey, I don't know. That's kind of, there you go. It's the laughing face icon. So you probably want more details than that. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is in like a private channel. So let's say you don't want to share it with everybody. You can click on somebody like this, and then you can say, hey, can I have your help with something?
So I guess like we could just throw it into general.
Yeah, so you can throw it in the general. I'm showing you both ways because sometimes you don't want to share it with everybody, right? It's just up to you, right? Or you can put it in general. But if I put it here, then it can go to you as a private
Right.
chat. So yeah, and then you can do general. The other thing you'll notice is as I create the assignments, I kind of break this out. So there's a module 2, right? And you can put it here as well. But every time you put something there, it makes it like Discord makes a little noise. I have it set up so it like has a ringing noise. So no matter where you put it, I'll be able to find it. And it should be the same for you too. You'll be used to like, oh, something appeared in my Discord stream, and then I can find that.